This is our old man dog. What is he? 3? 4?
What year did we get him? 2002? 2022?
He's 3. Sir, a 3-year-old old man Chihuahua. Or at least he snores like an old man.